Hey, welcome back guys. I've got some HEC 2026 models on my hand. HEC aka Hobby Expo China. So they host that event every year and it has gotten a lot of attentions in the recent years due to how competitive this diecast market is, and just every year they have more amazing brands coming out. So this one is from AR Box, and it is HEC model, but it's not event special. So they released the first batch during the event, and later on they'll be releasing the regular version, which is the same as this one. So let's just get a first look, I guess. And I've got some HEC models, and they're all pretty impressive and amazing. A lot of details, good paint, etc. So can't wait to show you guys this one. RWB 930. So here front, you have the front image of the car at the front, and in the back you can see the back image of the car. All the opening parts showing here. So I just feel like every brand is starting to making the RWB these days, and to be honest, they all look pretty much the same, especially the same color, like the classic black color. I mean, maybe they have a little bit variance among all the brands. Some might have a little bit more detail on the window, some might have the license plate and stuff. But overall, I mean, if you already got one, I don't think you need to collect every brand of this kind of model. So anyway, so classic AR Box packaging, one paper package here and acrylics inside. So this one has amazing tool here, a plunger to, you know, open all the openings. So you don't have to use your nail and the screws to pry it open. So you might cause more damage that way. And at the bottom, as usual, comes with a card. Has all the good informations on there. Number 28, RWB Stella Artois. Alright, let's look at the model. Let's take this off the base. And it's amazing base too. It's like a matte finish base. Good texture, feels very good. Has the car's nickname on it, Stella Artois. It is the I think the guy Akira Nakai named this after a Belgian beer brand. So this is just a Belgian beer brand. And let's open this. And here comes all the parts. Any other good informations on it? Nope. Alright, the car itself. Very cute little wide body modified car. And the classic 930 RWB is the second generation of 911, 911, and it's the first RWB car, and it's the Akira's personal car as well. So just first generation of RWB, I guess. And so it's matte black finish. I can give you guys a 360 first. You can see in the back there's a crazy opening here. You can see the engine details. And very cute headlights here with amazing light bulbs details. License plate, and this is the same license plate as the Akira. And here it's just I think it's a German name. It's a German name of this car. 3 individual pieces for the air intakes at the front. Very nice, very sharp looking. And you can see the classic rivets everywhere. And all the rivets are just silver paint, but it's very sharp, very clean. We can use the plunger for the not trunk, front. All right, and there's like nothing in there. It's not like GT3 cars. They use that for the like the radiator, air outlet, that kind of stuff. And here you can see the canards. The wheels are beautiful. Like is this gold or copper? Maybe gold. Yeah, it's more like a gold color finish. 5-spoke with braking details inside, calipers, braking disc, that kind of stuff. And tire prints as well. Unfortunately, this thing does not roll on its own. You can force the wheels to roll, but it does not roll on its own. Let me shut this lid. See number 44 on here. On the window, valve. Should be right-hand drive. Oh, actually, this is left-hand drive. This is interesting. Stella Artois. And let's take this hair out. Here, crazy fenders. You know, classic RWB fenders, wide body, open rivets, crazy wings. Those are the characteristics of RWB. And moving to the back, this is the most crazy part, is this engine. 100% open engine. If you have this trunk open here, you can see the V6, you know, boxer style engine with the fan here. And at the bottom, there's no bumper at the bottom. It's all exposed with 3 crazy exhaust pipes. Even have those like oxidized color, like those due to the high heat, the metal changed colors. You can see transitioning from brown to a little gray and then to blue on the tip. Tail lights are beautiful, straight line tail lights, acrylic piece. And the rear tires are wider. You can see here. And the back mirror, there's like defrosting lines and more rivets. And here you can see actually the Chinese name of this car. How can I make it focus? It's called Jingqi Shi. And here is the Chinese name too. I think I've seen the pre-order image of the Pop Race version, and like I said, they all look the same. Pop Race might not have the front opening part, but it does have the cutoff on the mirrors here. But this air box does not have any cutoffs on the mirror. Also, this one has a huge gap at the bottom, so yeah, that's room for improvements, I guess. Other than that, they all look the same. And I was tempting to open this one, but one screw here, the other 2 are hidden behind this engine. You can see one on each corner. So, I mean, this one is not cheap. Also, it's like HEC event one. So, yeah, just don't feel like opening this one. But overall, it does not have any color separations inside, just all black interior. And I have the roll cage. I can see the roll cage through the rear mirrors or rear windows. So other than that, inside is not as exciting. Just the crazy engine part, I guess that's the highlight of the car. Yeah. Hope you like this thing. And as I said, in the coming videos, I probably will be showing more HEC models. And yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one.